Welcome to the end of Module 1 of the Success Brain. This is our summary and reflection. The first step to becoming successful at work and in life is to develop an effective mindset. Your mindset is the foundation from which everything else evolves. Without the proper mindset, all of your efforts will be affected negatively. Your thoughts, attitudes and self-talk are all important components of your mindset. Just as important is your comfort level with success. Not everyone is comfortable with the idea of great success. Eliminate your fears of failure and raise your success ceiling. You can accomplish more when you aren't afraid of failing. A positive attitude can make all the difference. A positive attitude affects your efforts in numerous ways. With a success-oriented mindset, any goal becomes a possibility. So share these self-reflection questions with me. What does success mean to me? How do I know when I've become successful? How does my current thinking affect my success? Can I see how my previous level of thinking has contributed to my successes and failures? What can I do to maintain a positive mindset when everything seems to be going wrong? How have I handled this situation in the past? How successful was my strategy? Who is my favourite winner? What can I learn from them that I can apply to my own life? How would I rate my comfort level with the idea of being highly successful? Is it standing in my way? And finally, to what degree do I fear failure? How would my life evolve if I were free from this fear? Moving forward, your next module will enable you to effectively deal with limiting beliefs, learn how to overcome them, and work around them to achieve the success you deserve.